Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to transfer data from Android phone to iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to transfer any kind of videos, photos, musics from any Android phone to iPhone. First of all, we have to install the Share It app on our both iPhone and Android device. So go to your App Store and Play Store and search for Share It, and all you have to need, go ahead and install Share It app on your both mobile. Once done, just open Share It app on your iPhone and on your Android phone. And now to transfer data from your Android phone to your iPhone, first of all, you have to connect your iPhone and your Android phone in Share It app. To do that, on your Android phone, just tap on Receive. And in your iPhone Share It, tap on Send. And now you have to select a dummy photo, for example, and just tap on Send. And here, tap on Connect to Android and just scan this QR code from your iPhone and just tap on Join. And then, as you can see, my iPhone and my Android phone are connected. Now on your Android phone, here to send any photos to iPhone, just tap on Photos, and now from your gallery you can select any photos to send. And to transfer video, just tap on Gallery and select Videos, and now you will be able to select videos to transfer to iPhone. To send or transfer music, go to Music tab, and from here you can select any music to transfer to iPhone. To send any files like document file, go to Files option, and here you will be able to select PDF file, zip file, or zip file or any folder to transfer to your iPhone. So that's how we can actually transfer data from Android to iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.